The Yabby3 GPS Tracker is powered by three AAA batteries and offers outstanding battery longevity, lasting up to 9 years for stationary assets with movement detection disabled. This GPS tracker provides real-time location updates, significantly aiding in the recovery of stolen vehicles or assets, enhancing overall security and peace of mind. It offers reliable global coverage using GNSS and 4G Cat M1 technology, ensuring consistent tracking across various environments with support from AT&T and T-Mobile networks. The device is designed for simple installation, being wire-free and compact, making it easy to hide and secure on cars, trailers, or motorcycles. With its rugged and durable design, the Yabby3 is IP67 rated, providing waterproof and dustproof protection to ensure continuous operation in challenging conditions. This tracker is an ideal choice for those needing a discreet and efficient solution for asset management and theft prevention, thanks to its robust features and ease of use.